Good morning students. Today we are going to solve a practical problem from chapter 5th, that is accounting equation. I have framed a question by taking 6 transactions from the book and I have covered all the points that we have not discussed earlier. So first of all we will read the transactions. Prepare accounting equation and also the balance sheet. First transaction is Manu started business with the cash rupees 1 lakh, opened a bank account and transferred 4 lakh rupees from his savings account. Purchased a building from Sohan for rupees 12 lakh, paid by taking a loan from SBI, that is State Bank of India, rupees 10 lakh, paid interest on loan rupees 20,000 and installment of rupees 10,000. Next is purchased goods from Rohan on credit rupees 1 lakh, returned goods to Rohan costing rupees 20,000 and took goods from business for personal use, that is rupees 10,000. So let's start the question. I have made a format. I have told you many times that you have to follow the same method that I have told you, but you are not following the same method. So first of all see the format again. Number 1 column is numbers, that is number of transactions, and next particular of transactions, next are assets equals to capital. Capital should be written first and after that all the liabilities. Assets in this question we have cash, bank, building and stock, and capital as it is, and next liability is a loan from SBI, that is it we have taken a loan to purchase the building. So loan from SBI is the liability for the business and others are creditors for goods, that we have also purchased goods on credit. So let's start from first transaction. That first transaction is Manu started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Started business with cash. So cash is rupees 1 lakh, and the other assets and liabilities which have no effect, you have to write 0 in that particular head, and you are not writing. So capital is rupees 1 lakh, loan from SBI 0, creditors are 0. And next number 2 transaction, in next transaction he opened a bank account, means he had opened a bank account in the bank and transferred rupees 4 lakh from his savings account. His saving account means Manu's saving account, and saving account is a personal account, that we also had our personal accounts in the banks. So a saving account is the personal account of money, and business has no right on the saving account of proprietor. So whenever some money transferred from proprietor's saving account, then it will be the capital of proprietor. So also he has brought capital by transferring, that is rupees 4 lakh from his saving account to the bank account of business. So it is also a capital. Opened a bank account. He has opened a bank account from transferring money from his saving account, not from the cash of the business. So cash of the business will not decreases, and bank of the business will also increases by rupees 4 lakh, and thus the capital also increases by rupees 4 lakh. So you have to put the sign of plus in capital head. And after that, after 2 transactions, we have to make new equation. You are not writing the amount under same head, you are writing here and there. So follow the same method that I have told in the videos. Cash rupees 1 lakh, bank rupees 4 lakh, building no. stock has no change, capital of rupees 5 lakh. Okay, next number 3 transaction is he had purchased a building from Sohan for rupees 12 lakh and he has paid Sohan by taking a loan from SBI, that is rupees 10 lakh. So he had purchased a building for the business, that is of rupees 12 lakh. It is a building is a fixed asset for the business, and he has paid Sohan. Sohan is a creditor, and he had paid him, means he had paid the full amount to Sohan by taking a loan from SBI. Means one liability decreases and another liability, that is loan from SBI, increases, that is for rupees 10 lakh, and the difference we have paid in the cash form. Purchased a building. Okay, and in this question, first we will write the amount of building, that is rupees 12 lakh, stock has no change, and capital no change, and loan from SBI increases by rupees 10 lakh, as we have taken loan of rupees 10 lakh only. Now the difference, that is 12 lakh minus 10 lakh, 2 lakh, and we have not sufficient cash, that we have cash only rupees 1 lakh, so we can't pay the rupees 2 lakh from the cash, but we have bank account, and in bank we have rupees 4 lakh, so we can pay the amount, that is rupees 2 lakh from the bank account of business. So cash will not decreases, we will decrease the bank by rupees 2 lakh. This is the new point, and after it we will make new equation, that is cash rupees 1 lakh bank rupees 2 lakh, building 12 lakh, stock 0, capital 5 lakh, loan 10 lakh, creditors are 0, and after it, oh sorry, not to draw line here. Next it's number 4th transaction. Number 4 transaction is number I have written, okay, we can make number 2 this, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. And number 4th transaction is paid interest on loan rupees 20,000 and installment for loan, that is installment for repayment of loan rupees 1 lakh. We have repaid the installment, that is of rupees 1 lakh, and also paid interest of rupees 20,000. Paid interest and installment. We have paid interest, and we can pay interest from the cash, bank no change, okay, sorry, we have paid installment, so we can pay the installment from the bank also, not from the cash, that is rupees 1 lakh decreases from the bank, and building has no change, stock has no change, and capital, from capital we will deduct the amount of expense that we have paid interest, and interest on loan is an expense for the business, so capital will decreases by the amount of expense, by amount of interest, and loan decreases by rupees 1 lakh as we have paid an installment, so loan decreases by 1 lakh. Here we have new equation as 80,000 cash plus 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, it is a sign of subtraction. Rupees 1 lakh, building 12 lakh, stock no change, capital is of rupees 4 lakh 80,000, loan 9 lakh. Next, number 5th transaction is purchased goods from Rohan on credit rupees 1 lakh. We have purchased stock for the business on credit. Purchased goods on credit, that is rupees 1 lakh. Cash has no change, bank has no change, building, but the stock of the business will increases by rupees 1 lakh. Capital no change, loan, and creditors of the business will increases by rupees 1 lakh. New equation, 80,000 cash, 1 lakh rupees bank, 12 lakh rupees building, stock 1 lakh, capital 4 lakh 80,000, loan 9 lakh, and creditors are for rupees 1 lakh. Next, number 6th transaction, returned goods to Rohan costing 20,000. This is a new point, that we have returned stock that we have purchased earlier, and the effect of that, we have returned goods. So cash has no change, bank has no change, building has no change, but the stock that we have returned the stock, so the stock will decreases by the amount of cost, that is rupees 20,000. Capital has no change, loan has no change, and the second effect of this transaction is the creditor will also decreases by 20,000, that we have returned goods costing 20,000 to them, so the creditor will also decreases. New equation, 80,000 cash, 1 lakh bank, 12 lakh building, 80,000 stock, 4 lakh 80,000 capital, 9 lakh loan, and rupees 80,000 stock. And the last transaction is took goods from business for personal use. So in this question, the proprietor means proprietor is Manu, and he had taken goods of rupees 20,000 from the business for personal use, so it is also his drawings. Took goods for personal use, that is rupees 20,000. So the effect is that the stock will decreases by rupees 20,000, that is 10,000, that is cost, and capital also decreases by the same amount. Capital and stock of the business will decreases, and other assets and liabilities has no change. And the last new equation, that is 80,000 of cash, 1 lakh bank, 12 lakh building, and 70,000 stock, 4 lakh 70,000 capital, 9 lakh loan from SBI and 80,000 creditors of the business. So after that we have to make a balance sheet also, and balance sheet can be prepared with the help of last new equation or accounting equation or balance sheet equation. So we have assets, cash, bank, building and stock. So here is the format. Assets are cash, bank, building and stock. Cash is rupees 80,000, bank 1 lakh, building 12 lakh and stock is of rupees 70,000. And on the building on the liabilities side we have capital, loan from SBI and creditors. That is capital, loan from SBI and creditors. Creditors are of rupees 80,000, loan 9 lakh and capital is rupees 4,70,000. First of all, see the format of balance sheet. Balance sheet of Manu, as Manu is the proprietor of business. As at, you should have these words, that is as at, on and the date we have not given. So I have leave the blanks here. I have put the blanks here. And liability side, and this is the amount. You will not write the amount, only you will write rupees, that is unit of currency, unit of money, rupees, rupees. Okay. And total of the balance sheet should be in same line, that is the same line asset, same line liability in the same line, and the two lines after total you have to draw two lines, that it indicates that the total of the balance sheet is equal. We can do total, that is asset sides are 12 lakh, 1 lakh, 13 lakh, 80, 70, that is 40 lakh 50,000. And on liability side 9 lakh capital, loan, capital 4,70,000 and 80,000 creditors, that is also rupees 14 lakh 50,000. Total of balance sheet is equal, so we have make a correct accounting equation. That's all for today.